Isa ka rin ba sa napapatanong sa sarili kung sino ka nga ba talaga? Ngayon, tara, samahan niyo akong ipakilala at kilalanin kung sino nga ba talaga ako. Now, I know what you are thinking. Who is this petite powerhouse? Well, I am Melissa Unay Saura, and I am here to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 22 years young, fresh out of the oven. My birthday is September 11, just a few weeks away. They call me Mel, Isang, Isa, Mels, Melay, and Miling. I am a BS Ed third year college student majoring in social studies. I'm an officer in the SSC organization. I'm also an officer in the GAD organization. And if you are looking for someone to represent you in the community, I am your girl. I'm a Skay Kagawad in our barangay, always striving to make Sabang Mga Taram a better place for everyone. Let's move on. I am the eldest child of Chris and Crisanta Saura. We live in Sepang Mga Taram, Pangasinan. My love life has been a wild ride. It's funny how life works. I remember including in my presentations that I wanted to be the wife of a nurse, police officer, or a seaman. At that time, I was single and just hoping for love. Now, I found my seaman, and I'm so grateful. My hobbies are cooking and eating alone. Let's talk about my favorite. My favorite color is green. Syempre, wala nang iba. And my favorite foods are salad, graham, maha, samji, sinigang, butter shrimp, o basta hipon, ganun. Let's talk about my love or my likes. I love music. Gusto nyo sample? Wait. KTV or karaoke is isa sa mga banding namin ng mga kaibigan ko. Sa fashion naman, kung ano yung uso, sabay lang ako sa trend, ganun. Sunset, beach, o di kaya yung dagat. Hindi ko alam bakit tuwing nandoon ako or nakikita ko yung mga yun. Pakiramdam ko wala akong problema, napaka-kalmado lang ng lahat. Siguro dati ako serena. Ngayon naman, tignan natin yung facts about me. Meron akong allergy, tinatawag itong cold urticaria. Mabilis akong umiyak, mabilis ma-attach and ma-turn off. Expressive din ako and ma-effort, moody, and sobrang OA, and especially talkative. Paalam, sana nakilala mo ako.